You are my El Shaddai, you are my El Shaddai. Elohim and Adonai. Age to age, you are still the same. By the power of your name. You are my El Shaddai, you are my El Shaddai. Elohim and Adonai. I will praise and lift you high. El Shaddai. You are my El Shaddai. You are my El Shaddai. Elohim and Adonai. Age to age, you are still the same. Yeah, by the power of your name. You are my El Shaddai. You are my El Shaddai. Elohim and Adonai. And I will praise and lift you high. El Shaddai. Obogebo no El Shaddai. Obogebo Adonai. Elohim and Adonai. Age to age, you are still the same. By the power of your name. You are my El Shaddai, you are my El Shaddai, Elohim and Adonai, and I will praise and lift you high, El Shaddai. Obinigwe bu El Shaddai, Obinigwe bu El Shaddai, Elohim and Adonai. Age to age, you are still the same. Maybe. By the power of your name. Obogebo El Shaddai, Obogebo El Shaddai, Elohim and Adonai. I will praise and lift you high, El Shaddai. Amaragazuo, Chineke onye kere mmadụ asị na amara ga-ezue na onye nwe m. Amara ga-ebuka Chineke onye kere mmadụ, amara ga-ebuka onye nwe m. Ihe kere eke na-aja gị mma, odogwu onye na-emere onwe ya ha. Ihe kere eke na-aja gị mma, esokwa masị n'ịdị mma. Mmadụ kere eke na-aja gị mma, ọ bụghị Chukwu onye mgbapụta ụwa m. Ihe kere eke na-aja gị mma, a na-efere gị aka n'ịdị mma. Omego onye gị na ya na-azọ n'ezele Chineke ọma. Ịma na omego onye gị na ya a na-achịkwanụ na mba niile. O nwere ọkaka m arụpụ a n'afọ ndị mmụọ, ịdị ebube, aha gị juru n'igwe ejuwa. Eze Chite Okabiama, dadi m anyị ekenemere gị. Ọ mara mma mara mma mara mma mara mma zuru ahụ. Dike a na-akpọ ogwula anya, ọgaranya ngadanga. Ọ adịghị iri n'ije ma ije aga. You were never invited. Yeah, well, there are some group of people you were for years without having the mandate to invite you. For 13 years, nothing to show. When I said nothing, I mean completely nothing. The only thing they have to show, bona social media called Andre. The only thing they have to show, but how to talk to those that is in our homeland, to come out for peaceful protest, knowing fully well that nothing is peaceful. Lobodo Bongo. And what happened? About UEFA. What will they do? They will now use their Ozufa, where they are now seek the attention of the United Nations Here the only pattern, the only thing they achieved. Even there was thousands of them. Now choosing with a sympathy from United Nations. America come and see you, UN come and see you, United Nations come and see. That is just all. Nothing, I mean nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. Nothing anywhere. I am just being honest. Oh, Makaneme, the ancient of ancients invite. Gepante. Inwori can make we invite, yet you lack wisdom, understanding to put your freedom how into a question. That is because Lee were another agenda that is different from asking for freedom. Until the arrival of the carrier and deliverer of new dimension. Without him, nothing was in place. With him, things began to happen. Through him, with him, we woken the hope again. That of a truth that they have seen one among the wild animals. Without him, nothing whatsoever anywhere. For years, the only thing was saga. And the Ijiozu umunani na show international sympathy. Bible says that he whom the Son of Man set free is free indeed. Who depend into your own Bible interpret. But I am here telling you, like in this our dispensation, now I join here with all we by so doing that at the end of this race, we compile it together that we made up our own story, or that we make up our own story. Because if any na Jesus our own story in due time. If you are not a carrier, talk more of a deliverer, talk more of new dimension in where you are, because you were there when the introduction happened. Yes. Emma, there is something about hate. Hate will make you will be trying to think that you are making sense. Emma, you are not making any sense. That is the honest truth. You may end up praising the person. That is just the honest truth. You may end up praising the person you hate. That is an evidence. No ya na roroma. Li jiwe hate ya ya bụ na ilu a ndị Igbo tụrụ na nwata kpakaria ibia na nkọ. Ọ dịka ọkpara nke ya na aja ọfịa. Enwere ife mmadụ ji wee pụta ụwa. Some of you have gave up that which you carry because of ochuchu ego. Ya wetra ụfọdụ bongo mmadụ ji ejije anọ. The only quality only to govern a nation or a state or obodobo na my turn, na my turn, na my turn. So out of hate, he nwere ike na praise the person he hate maka na ọkagị wee kpanko. Megepụ obi gị ka ekekere ụwa were gị kwara ngwa ọrụ. I am going to play you a video. If you get into these people, I pray that the God Almighty help me, that I may make sense. If I never make common sense, that is not to say I can't give away. If I make it, but we are only trying to remind you of that which you know. I just want to make common sense as always. Let's go. Pay attention.
This guy is a hater of Igbo.
Yes.
He's a hater of Igbo. He's a hater of Biafra people.
Yes.
And that's why I keep telling our people.
You that love Biafran people, ask him, what has he done for Biafran people? What is he doing for Biafran people? At least, Yama love nde Biafra. You gotta go. Ke ihe o megoro, at least ntuma now, jala ikwana efu ya, ka nkwubite. Amamela gota. What has he done as someone that loves his people? What has he done? Let's go.
It's not that no evil man can do. I know our people can be believing, but not to this extent. This guy is not an evil man. He's not an evil descendant. This is a pure Fulani breed.
He is an Igbo man. He is pure Igbo man. Nde dum dufuo dum chota. Ona abagala Mazi Ekpa was pure Fulani man. What made Mazi Ekpa pure Fulani man? He could not say. On serious people. What made him pure Fulani man? He could not say. Let's go.
Yes, you go and keep asking, where did he come from? Which community? Which state? Which village? Onye discipline? What discipline?
Junior now, Laju, nne Mazi Ekpa, la nne ya, la siblings ya, Joya, what has they done with siblings Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Are they in good time? At least, when I had a siblings Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no in good time. Oh yeah, na bo si pota siblings Mazi Ekpa ka hancha no kwakwaru. The same people are the okwala with siblings Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ chọrọ ịma siblings Mazi Ekpa. Ọ chọrọ ịma his kindred. Ọ chọrọ ịma nne ya la nne ya. Junior ya. This same people achọ ịma nne la nna Mazi Ekpa. Ke ihe ha mere with nne la nna Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ama mere agota, who is his people, classmate? Ofu ajụ aga ala ajụ. Chukwu nyere anyị aka. Just listen. Attention.
A general, tall and elevated. You don't see anything wrong with that.
Somebody Obasanjo elevated, a general, a former head of state. Somebody he elevated. Ya ka onye nke jekweta la the elevation. But he admitted, praised Obasanjo, how he is a general, how he is a strong man, former head of state, elevated somebody, and him who is not a general, a bloody civilian like him, he who have never ruled any local government, is not afraid of the man. If all is not adding up. At times, he hate young madu. Omenengajabo, Ibagidonya Humba, ile make sense. A man that you are talking rubbish. Somebody like Obasanjo feared, elevated Mazi Ekpa. Just you will listen to it. Not that Mazi Ekpa when Obasanjo elevated him. But Obasanjo foresaw. Lonya Lapota as second in command. Lonya Adepadedri. It did not go down well with them. But he admitted Obasanjo as a former head of state admitted Lonya Adepadedri. Listen to yourself. Listen to it by yourself. I'm coming. Obasanjo, who have every information he need in this world, how can he elevate this guy? He admitted that Obasanjo elevated Mazi Simon Ekpa, and he admitted that Obasanjo, former head of state, a general, he admitted that Obasanjo have every information he need in this world, and he don't believe on the elevation of Mazi Ekpa by Obasanjo. Is he adding up? O kwetara na Obasanjo need information low. So Obasanjo pụtara nọ na sila Sunday Igboho, for example, Lord the tough, Lord the stronger than Nnamdi Kanu. O nke a ka ha je believe. Ha je believe yani. Ifugia, but Obasanjo elevated Simon Ekpa. Ya nwale ekwula Obasi. Yet ya nwale meko admit na Obasanjo nwere access to every information obulo need in this world. Yet, to believe the elevation of Mazi Epa by Obasanjo because of hatred. Ole causing you here, la Korobich. Just listen.
He didn't have any concern that this is a pure trap to our people.
I have a concern because Obasanjo foresee that this man, Lord, if of a truth that he is a carrier and deliverer of new dimension, not only Obasanjo elevated him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu elevated him while he was still around. Mgbe some of you zoro la speaker na-ekwu okwu zoro ya nwa na media, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu afụta that you should go and listen to him and share his broadcast that he is bringing a new dimension. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu elevated him before Obasanjo elevated him. So sometimes I see danger in Obasanjo elevating him because Obasanjo is a wise man. He's a former military head of state. He was a civilian. So Mazi elevate, I equally feared myself. But Ngewa, he did not fear. Maka hatred, envy, jealousy, which let's continue to listen.
It is not what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and then you need to. And look at the process. That is the reason why after a week, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. They are now telling you or telling us that telling the people that
hear them. They are now telling you or telling us or telling the people. No matter who this will tell all these three, they are now telling you. They are now telling us. They are now telling the people. No matter who this will tell lawyer, the truth will tell or something. And what did they tell you or tell us or tell the people? Listen to him. What they tell the people, they tell him, then tell us.
Don't even know there is a powerful person more than what. Okay, now tell me what this guy have done for him to deserve a power.
Obasanjo as a former military head of state. Obasanjo, remember the first guy praised Obasanjo. Lodi Odiono. Like his word, you are going to hear it from him. That his word, wait, low praise remarks ever. Then Onyen Kala, what has he done? Yabuzi Onyen Kala, Onyen Kala, concerning Anabu, what has he done that made them praise him? Oshefuzie that when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was praising him, Obasanjo wasn't there. Ola Juziaba, what has he done? Listen, pay attention. Kevo how confused how they ntu aka isi confused in the ban. Ure picture ozumu nne ha. Let's seek attention mbowa. Ozumu nne ha babu la protest. E what are the pictures? I got that quiet together. Oh, to wait to UN, oh, to wait to US, so they are killing us, so deep state, oh, Israel to come and help us. Yeah, how to read you ozumu nne ha with a sympathy. With a sympathy. Listen.
No, Mazi, if that guy has not done anything before even they called him a powerful.
The guy have not done anything before they called him a powerful man. He has not done anything. I just took it back. The reason why I took it back is for you to listen and they understand very well. I took it back.
What Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and then you need to. And look at the process.
Listen.
Mazi, that is the reason why after a week, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. They are now telling you or telling us that telling the people that they don't even know there is a powerful person more than what. Okay, now tell me what this guy have done for him to deserve a power. No, Mazi, if that guy have not
confused
he has not done anything before even they called him a powerful person.
He has not done anything before they call him a powerful person. Those have seen him from afar off coming. Man, they would hate them, never see him. He have not done anything. Ola nana Mary, ana abu yonya Mary. You gotta go. Ana abu ya diko, dike eji ejemba. Ana abu obrensi na abochi. He have not done anything. Nobu a carrier and deliverer of new dimension that you should go and listen to his broadcast and share it. Okay, what if he have not done anything. Continue to listen.
That was the time they were trying to, they want to substitute Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They want to use that guy to substitute Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so that he would drag the IPOB members.
Their fight is always Mazi Nnamdi Kanu this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that. Their fight is not even for freedom. On serious people, they want to substitute Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But these same people in the line now, do they believe in substitution? The answer is yes. Do I believe in substitution? The answer is yes. In our ball, coach has substitute, and they hear it and hear it clear. Biafra or Biafra restoration is bigger than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Mazi Ekpa. They are just a driver. Nobody is bigger than the Biafra nation. Nobody, not even two of them. This is how little brain they want to substitute him with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Johnny Onya na lekwu ihe na agbachitere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na substitution. Is it not the same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu who told them, if you know what you are going to do for Biafra to come, do it? Unless the underground. Because I have overheard time without number, countless time la media, if you know what you can do for Biafra to come, you do it. That is to say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu believe in substitution. Their fight is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, oh, Jesus of my time, la command, that control structure, la regulate ilaba. Always Mazi Nnamdi Kanu this, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that, IPOB that, not to fight to free the people. Ndi frame. Continue listening to them. Ebe ha jiaka ha na-ebu ute onwe ha tụna mmadụ na-ebu ute ha.
But the movement towards this direction where it is now, this is a clear-cut plan, and that is why
direction nwere onwe anọ now, ọ dị ya more hotter than ihe ahụ unu na-eme mgbe ahụ unu megoro for 13 years. Je enwe ihe metara ya. Direction ọ nọ now, at least lobby isi Mazi Ekpa anyị hụrụ na ọ na-arụ ọrụ. Ha na-eme itigasị efube ka ihe a na-akpọ ya minister of staff ka ọ gịnị ka a na-akpọ ya, o nwere ntu esi akpọ ya minister of staff nke nwaanyị ene, efube dia finance minister, efube dia enwere gọọmenti, ịmala enwere prime minister, ịkala ekwu okwu IPOB ala you are under the government. ịghọtago gị nwabe a citizen. Mazi Ekpa your prime minister. Continue listening to them.
Why somebody Obasanjo, who his comment and his speech can carry a huge shockwave around the world.
Obasanjo, his statement or his word will carry a big shockwave around the world. Praise the Mazi Ekpa. To him, he see danger there. To him, he see danger there. Lord, gang up. Lily-livered people. Lily-livered. He admitted Obasanjo, he admitted Obasanjo, former head of state. He admitted Lord General. He praised Obasanjo so well. And he reject Obasanjo praising Mazi Ekpa. It make any sense. I just want to prove how nonsense. And they are confused in the buying, whether they deceive in the buying. You could no protest. I mobilize and the mother. Che her flag. Here with the general Hogari. I would use the have a jechon, but he put all the picture together. He put you in the media. US come and see. Twitter America. Make it go viral. Ozumu no. Legend. Obasanjo. Onyokwone buwe lambowa. Praise the Mazi Ekpa. And he don't like it. But he know that Obasanjo Okuya is Rike. Listen, I took it back a little bit.
They want to use that guy to substitute Nnamdi Kanu.
Substitute Nnamdi Kanu.
He would drag the IPOB members or the movement towards this direction where it is now.
What is movement? What is movement? IPOB in car, okay, no movement. A movement without Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the movement the unserious people. So to you, this is movement. But don't worry, I'm going to play you what they mean by movement. Careful. Just let's continue listening to him.
It's a clear-cut plan. And that is why somebody Obasanjo, who
Mazen Obasanjo said, this guy is a military man, he's a lawyer, he is this, he is that. Why this guy is not a lawyer? And all moment admit, Loku Obasanjo wait. Man, the problem, why is it Mazen Bakele praise? Out of hatred, envy, and jealousy. Why Lobu praise? The praise is really Obasanjo Singre. Why he is not a lawyer, but the only thing normal. Continue to listen. Do you mean Obasanjo actually said this? Listen.
Mazi, do you mean that Mazi, are you saying Obasanjo said this? Obasanjo said it now. Obasanjo said it. Wow.
Carry on. Mazi, do you mean Obasanjo actually said this? Or say yes, wow. Limo bias. Now, if Obasanjo as a general, as former military head of state, both and the civilian head of state, Obasanjo Yamale prays that his word can carry a heavy shock wave around the world, can actually say this, and the wow. To God, on the zoo, zoo, on the Galabos, you go to Mass and Naticadisi, or sing a zoo ali. To God, the zoo ali. Okay, Broya Goza, zoo ali. Oh, praise the this hour of it here. Oh, Mazi, do you actually mean that Obasanjo actually said that? Oh, say yes, Obasanjo say it. Wow. Yeah, but Limo Bia. Oh, yeah, say wow. Okoko. So Obasanjo, which are castigate here, they know fully well. There's you put out water. In what a video is here, avocado grade. I know about Biocha. Keremo Bidiocha can work Worono Zezioku. Shinekebo Otuto Dirigi. Keremo Bidiocha Kekeruwa Keremo Bidiocha. Keberenumo Bidiocha Nderia Twegu Keremo Bidiocha. Kerenumo Bidiocha Kamwe Kurono Zezioku. Yezinamo Otito Dirigi. Mazi. Did you mean? Are you telling me that Obasanjo actually said this? Or say yes, he said it. Wow. I'm going to take it back and allow it to roll. How they are misinforming and they making nonsense, talking rubbish. Listen to them.
Somebody Obasanjo who his comment and his speech can carry a huge shockwave around the world. He came out to say that this guy is a military man, he's a lawyer, is this, is that. When this guy is not a lawyer. Mazi, do you mean that he's not a lawyer? Mazi, are you saying Obasanjo said this? Obasanjo said it now. Obasanjo said it. Wow.
Hey, I'm going to take it back. Tinka Tiego is Warrior. Mazi, did Obasanjo actually say that? Oh, say yes, Obasanjo said it. With every alacrity. Obasanjo said it. Wow. Listen to him for the last time before I will do also. Pay attention. That's wow.
When this guy is not a lawyer. Mazi, do you mean that he's not a lawyer? Mazi, are you saying Obasanjo said this? Obasanjo said it now. Obasanjo said it. Wow. Obasanjo was kidnapped. Obasanjo came and said that this guy in Finland, who happens to be a lawyer, he's a military man, he's more dangerous than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That he was the one that
Their problem is that Obasanjo said that Mazi is more dangerous than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is just their problem. To God, Zua Landi Ali. Was you mother or your agent? Amani Mahala fight is your ever maybe bonge maybe. Was you two of them or ever agent? Obasanjo sị na onye a dị more powerful. So ha na-ebetaziri bongo akwa akwa bongo na their handlers kwetara dị ebe ka the same people claiming to love us na-ebezi. Wow. So onye a ji destroy bongo onye anyị ji akpara ego kemgbe. Bongo onye anyị ji eme command and control. Just let's continue listening. The guy that this guy isi ara bongo ama harubidi. Bongo lose go their bread. To go they go battery ha. Who use you people? Bongolians. Listen to them.
Elevated this guy. Orchestrated plan. They did it well. Exactly. It is well plotted and because it was as soon as man.
Into a ha si manipulate ndebe anya. Mgbe ahụ o tiri iwu ahụ ọ dịla ka ọ chọpụtagolo lose guard go o changezie love orchestrated plan. Kwedro ya osigolo orchestrated plan. So o feel low lose guard go o tizie orchestrated plan. Let me take it back. Ebe ahụ o tiri iwu ahụ orchestrated plan. Before I about release ya na ba ka anyị na-ebupụta ya ntu osi wee dị. Because after this phase, anyị werezie document nke anyị Bible nke anyị hand you over to ndebe anyị. So don't hate Bible that much now. Maka we are bringing something from there. If the Son of Man sets you free, you are free indeed. Man, open as the Son of Man abero to ask or demand for your freedom. You negotiate here. Sorry. I am going to send you another comforter that will abide with you until I return or until the end of time. I send this year another comforter. The gospel of redemption. Your doorstep. This is Kelena TV. We are live and we are direct. Hear them.
So immediately, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped. Obasanjo came and said that there is this guy in Finland who happens to be a lawyer. He's a military man. He's more dangerous than Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That he was the one that elevated this guy. Orchestrated plan.
Orchestrated plan. Orchestrated.
Exactly. It is well plotted, and because it was as soon as Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was captured, kidnapped. Then why am I saying this? Why am I saying?
Carnal man cannot understand the things of the spirit. What you don't know is bigger than you. The prophecy of Iginla about wild animals following the little puppy. All of a sudden, the little puppy was moving, looked back, of a transformation. Name with the wild animals, they never saw it. Immediately the abduction of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That was when Obasanjo saw. Then, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, while he was here, he foresaw the carrier and deliverer of new dimension. But when he was abducted, that was when Obasanjo equally saw. But these people, they're yet to see anything. Then Prophet Iginla, Anakowa, Leiha Abo ihe gun and bullets. I am going to bring that to you, but let me allow this to roll.
Our people need to know.
Orchestrated plan.
If in a movement like this, they need to be very, very smart. And the IPOB leadership and IPOB media business have worked very, very, excellently well by differentiating this guy from IPOB movement. By differentiating him from the movement. Otherwise, by now, that's a terrorist that they attacked IPOB would have still on IPOB.
They attacked you, terrorists. When he wasn't your member, you attack terrorists. Or for Chabala attack terrorists, or let me look for that prophecy of Prophet Iginla and play it. To some of you, connecting the dots together. Hear it. We will Obasanjo. I am now playing to you in here Prophet Iginla. Let's go.
There are more crazy Nnamdi Kanu that will come up after Nnamdi.
Have fun, car. You got to go. There are more crazy Nnamdi Kanu that will come out after Nnamdi Kanu half ya ebe half why Obasanjo J praise the here. This was 2020. Let me allow it to roll. How can we Obasanjo elevated him? They did not see this prophecy.
There are more crazy Nnamdi Kanu that will come up after Nnamdi. They are just hiding under him. The only way to kill this is not by gun and bullets. It's by engaging with proper dialogue.
There are more crazy that will come up after Nnamdi Kanu. They are just hiding under him. There are more little puppies, puppier than those he saw that hide under him. And those little puppies, fight. Let me take it back and allow it to roll finish.
There are more crazy Nnamdi Kanu that will come up after Nnamdi. They are just hiding under him. The only way to kill this is not by gun and bullets. It's by engaging with proper dialogue, with knowledge and wisdom. This cry we are hearing here is not a cry of children, it's a cry of adults.
Ndị ha chọrọ ịnụ any cry. The only cry ha chọrọ ịnụ bụ why will Obasanjo praise or elevate Mazi Ekpa? Obasanjo want to substitute Mazi Ekpa. And here is a prophet that 2020 saying that there are more crazy people hiding under Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are more crazier than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then Obasanjo foresaw. This man is a military man. He is a lawyer. He is more dangerous than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Fabawa war. Ijuzi onwe gị ma ọ bụ bongo ka ndị a na-ebetaziri akwa mgbe ha na-akpọ onye agent. With this my small analysis, who is an agent? Ka ị were aka gị ka ị gbakọ wepụ. And let me play you ihe ha ji manipulate minds of ndị be anyị. Let me just look for it and play it to you. Ka ọ ghara dị ka ihe ha ji ndị be anyị onye agbara egbe ha jebe ọrụ agba hapụta protest. Ha chọrọ iji protest and the ozu ndị be anyị were nweta international community attention. Mana ha ama na nwere ife eji eme mmanwụ. Ịghọtago? Laba anyị before mmanwụ ekpo o nwere ife na-emegasị before ịpịalie ndị mmụọ. Ịghọtago? Maka na anyị eji mgbịrịgba eti ihe anyị eji eti bụ oduma. Mmanwụ oduma kpoo mmanwụ ekpo. Mana ndị nke a chọrọ ịgba aka na-achụ ihe na-ata arụ. And they have feel oppressor. Any draw can get negotiate ihe ọbụla. Oppressor kwesịrị ọkwụrụ nke nwa akwụrụ ọ nwere nwe ike dị na-aghọta ihe a na-ekwu. Mana ndị nke a they want to romance the oppressor. Ha chọrọ iji ozu ndebe anyị. Ichela Britain chọrọ ịma ọsọ gị si gbuo Igbo niile. Britain no send you message nke a kakwuru myself mgbe unu ji achọ ịnwụ ure na aka unu gbuo na enwe unu. Ebute inubute ndị be anyị protest ala agba ha egbe ile wekuru ozu ha. Oh, Britain come and see you. US come and see you. We are just putting the word on notice. For how many years did you put the word on notice? For 13 years. You have nothing to show. Until a man now that have come out, separate group, Nyanye government. His lobby firm and operate internationally. I know ebe lobby firm yano. Na kawatra campaign leaders or campaign chairman Donald Trump. Babwala babuai. Onu anrola agbasaga na compete la media. Le betra bonga akwa. Rapu bongo ka haba akwa ha. Esumba. Leje le betra ha akwa. Le ihe unu mere. Oh yeah, boy, movement ya ngwara unu mmegosi unu. This is their movement because no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, no movement anywhere. This is the only movement they know. And they use Wozunde and Baha. Where they are now na-achọ international sympathy. And they get nothing. Watch. Ejiye mkpogeri ọnụ la media. Whoa. We are here in the open place. We are here. Ejiye ya nweta nwere onwe. Tama mere wata. Kwefuru ngagari iwe. Ejiye ya nweta nwere onwe. Ọkwefuru ibugari flag. Ntu ifuru esi akwụgharị ebe a. Ejiye ya nweta nwere onwe. Iji eme 100 years agụ ọgụba ga-elekpo. Enwere ife eji eme mmanwụ. o nwere ife eji eti mmanwụ. You got to go now. I am going to send you another comforter. That comforter is very deadly than the present comforter. Ya ka o ji wee bụrụ another comforter. So ihe niile egbe ọnụ niile a na-agba na media kemgbe niile a egbe ọnụ ka ọ bụ until ejide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. The same gangsters suru ime ha gbara ya tiketi ha ma ebe ọ nọ na Kenya. The same people nyere information ya ejide ya before that comforter that Maazị Nnamdi Kanu saw, the carrier and deliverer of New Dimension Maazị Nnamdi Kanu saw. Immediately he saw it while with us. Obasanjo saw it after the abduction. The prophet saw it while Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was still with us. But these same gangsters, they saw nothing. Le movement here, Haburage. Okrobeli many of them are nwala. Many of them were out of nkwugheri ndị efere no la media na ala ekwugheri. Say white, say red. Many of them were out of nkwugheri. Le ihe anyị je wepụta ya na abụ ka ihe ọcha ntị gị mmiri. Chukwu emekwuole onye amaje mmadụ olele gekwana ihe nwa ha na-ekwu. Ime ihe ha ji wedidediri. Ofu onye n'ime ha nwere ike inwe 20 account. Just watch them closely. In short, we'll be coming. Ofu onye n'ime ha inwetozi ya nshi ya ofu onye n'ime ha nwere ike inwe 50 account. If you are not na comment section, mala ihe iji ejizi amazi ebo. Look at the names. Efola afa ha bụ afa mmadụ nwe. Look at the profile pictures. All ha themselves ndị lemechu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ihu were profile picture ala awasaga. Were profile picture na akpọrọ ndebe anyị. Ha nwa ofu onye n'ime ha nwere ike inwe 100 account. All type of nonsense now. Or bidola log in with one of them. Or log in or type or log in or type or if you ever confused. Ofu onye 100 account. So la obo na hadi one no 200. Ofu onye nwe 100 account. Imarazie ihe haja ihe ala igota nuisance ala constitute to la media. La ihe eji deceive those in the homeland. Haji awure nwo la anwu for nothing. Until Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Chukwu emetu ya aka n'obi okwu osi ihe ọbụla bụ iji flag agara iwe that it has been bound. Maazị Ekpa apụta maintain ya. These same people now, they preferred their own comfort zone. Prefer ka ndị be anyị pụtara akwụkwara into ka ala agba ha egbe ka ha nwee evidence because that is the only structure. That is the only roadmap ha feel ha eje nweta nwụrụ nwa ha nọ ha labe ha eme organized protest ndị agagharị ha ala agba ha egbe ewekọtasị pishi ya. I am going to read out something to you. Let me read it out. Ka ịghọta ya ka m ji ekwula Chukwu ji agọzi ndị nyere anyị igwe a because without igwe ama m ọ jarala adịtụrụ anyị a little bit difficult edere wepụta ụfọdụ ihe. Can I just lay my hand to it now? Can I lay my hand to it? Ebe Maazị Ekpa ede banyere IPOB Nigeria. Can I lay my hand to it and read it out? Ka ịghọta ife a na-ekwu. Can I lay my hand on it? Ka ị nwee ike ịghọta ihe a na-agwa gị. Lee ihe these same people ilele anya megoro. Ndị eme na-arụ. How do I find it now? Just wait a minute. The reason in wee chi gụpụta ihe a bụ ihe wetara eji akpọ ha IPOB Nigeria. I did not plan to show that, but I want to show it if I can get it. It was written by Maazị Ekpa, IPOB Nigeria Limited. ka efu reason wetara Maazị Ekpa ji akpọ ha IPOB Nigeria Limited. Ozi ụmụnne ha ka ha ji anamụrụ onwe nke ha fọ ndị chọrọ ịnwụ. Onye chi ịnwụ ọ gebe ha ntị, iji achị ịnwụ ige ndị nwere gọọmenti ntị ka mụrụ mma ya afọ ya. Ntụ ụdị ihe asị ma mgbe ị na-edere ịchọba ya ịma mfu mana emechakwaziere mgbe ị na-edere ozi ego afọ ya. I did not see it. He talked about IPOB Nigeria Limited. Ntu ha si eji ozu nwanne ha, ozu ụmụnne ha were ekwu okwu nwere onwe. I did not see it. O wetakwara m. I did not see it. I did not. I have seen it. Also, breaking. This is from Maazị Ekpa's account. Also, breaking. The IPOB Nigeria criminals are using my name. Hey, nke a bụ mgbe ha na-eji afọ ya esi ike asylum. Hey, this was not what I was looking for. Hey, ihe a bụ mgbe ha ji afọ ya esi ike asylum. IPOB Nigeria Limited. Mgbe ha ji afọ ya esi ike asylum. Ya bụ nke m fụrụ. Afụrụ m nke m na-achọ. Hey, mana ka o sila gede. Anyị ya wetara isi njedebe. Ma the truth bụ na we'll be speaking the truth. Agbagoro gị ihe m chọrọ ịgbaghere ozi nwanne ha ka ha ji. Yes, I have seen it. Also, the IPOB Nigeria, they pushed thousands of Biafrans to early grave for the past 10 years, even planned with the Nigeria terrorists at HQ Nigeria Army to go and kill Maazị Nnamdi Kanu in his house. And on the process, over 100 of their members were killed. They reported 28 persons. These criminals political pressure group of Nigeria Limited is warning the people they are in agreement with. The funny part of it is that those behind the keyboard have no name. The same thing about it. These same people not behind keyboard, not with fake account, they have no name. Yeah, but the funny thing. Yeah, but ofuonye nwere ike inwe 100 account because he had a business. Ya ka Maazị Ekpa ji edebe ala ọbụ IPOB Nigeria Limited. Look at it. This is from Maazị Ekpa's account. Let me take it again. The IPOB Nigeria, they pushed thousands of Biafrans to early grave. Ọ bụ n'eziokwu. Ndị a ngosiri gị leti iwe we are in up iwe ka many of them agbagbuchala ha. Maka the onye criminal. This confused people just play their video. Also, the IPOB Nigeria, they pushed thousands of Biafrans to early grave for the past 10 years, even planned with the Nigeria HQ Nigeria Army to go and kill Maazị Nnamdi Kanu in his house. And on the process, over 100 of their members were killed. They reported 28 persons. This criminals political pressure group of Nigeria Limited is warning the people they are in agreement with. The funny part of it is that those behind the keyboard have no name. Marane ihe ahụ chọrọ ego pụtara ga-ewepụtakpọla m ya lee ihe ha bụ pressure group. So ha chọ, this is the structure that made them. La ha ala akpọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. The reason why ha ji defend Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na fight, they want to substitute Maazị Nnamdi Kanu because if Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is substituted, their business is gone. And the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, being a genuine man, he believed on substitution. Ya ka o ji agwakwa many of them both bịara n'afọ ụzọ ịmara ihe iji eme ka Biafra bịa mee. Ha chọrọ ime ya, ha chọrọ ime nted onye ndu Jesus of our time. He dey protect the structure that made them millionaires. Abụ ka Chineke mezie okwu anyị ga understand mmepe ga anya ka ike in la government in exile na aha eze Chite Oke Abiama ise.